Hello people, welcome to the workshop, and in today's video we're going to restoring this rusty old plane. What's up people? In this video we're going to try to restore an old hand plane that I found lying around in the shed. Now I'm not an expert in these things, but I'll give it my best shot. So first I'm using some compressed air to clean up the hand plane. So next I'm going to take it all apart. And for those pieces that are really stock, there's nothing a little bit of WD-40 can't do. A small bit more compressed air. Now I'm going to wrap wire around each of the different metal parts. Now we're going to use the same electrolysis bucket that we used in the last video to clean all these parts. So first let's drop the pieces into the water. Next let's add our metal bar, of course the battery charger. Add the positive terminal to the metal bar and the negative terminal to your components. I also use a wood divider to give the metal bar something else to lean on, but this is optional. And let's turn it on. So that's been on for about 4 or 5 hours now. As you can see, it looks absolutely disgusting. But let's take everything out. So I've also added some newspaper to put things on once I take them out. So as you can see, a couple hours in the electrolysis bath has really made a difference to these parts. And let's get this manky stuff off the workbench. Next, I'm untying everything. Now giving everything a quick dry. Now I'm going to give everything a quick going over with a wire brush to get the last of the rust off. To give it a nice finish, I'm going to sand it with some 120 grit sandpaper. Now I'm going to sharpen the blade. Now it's time to reassemble the hand plane. So let's test it. It does quite a nice job. So this is the hand plane fully restored. and I have to say it's looking fairly good. So, I hope you people enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.